I mean Lupin, and it's at this Altair. Altair is my little paper bear, my best friend, my lord, and my master in the inter-universe. Cause he's so perfect and evil. I'm not speaking in Spanish cause English is funny, and you maybe learn another language. Listen to me. Yes, I'm speaking English. Feel like a crazy American Indian, cause it's part of the joke. Just kidding, okay? First, take your cookie. My cookie is Pepitos. Why Pepitos? Simple. Pepitos is the best cookie ever in the universe. So funny and so chocolate. I love this cookie. Toddy is evil. Toddy is 666. Okay. Now you can take your drink. My drink is Cinder. Why so Cinder? Just Cinder is the awesome drink in the world. This is the best breakfast I can see in my life. Really, I like this Cinder and my Pepitos. This is my thing. First, open this thing. I like this. I like this. I love this. Look at this. Chocolate. I don't know how say chocolate in English. Maybe chocolate. Open this. Look at me. I can show chocolate and add chocolate. Perfect. Altair. He was created in the last Friday by me with my Origami Japan's technical, cause the last Friday was the birthday of my Twitter friend saying the same parents are Japanese. I wish he a gift, not gift, a gift. I don't know. A present for my friend. And Origami is Japanese, no? Cause I don't know, this Altair is so evil, and now he is my lord, and he wished can destroy the interworld. Of course, it's your Indian and your life, my life. Be mine, my Lord Master. Now I'm speaking English because Jonathan break my heart in two. I can't speak in another language. It's not English. Spanish is so evil. I can sad. No. I feel sad. But chocolate is the answer for any question of the life. Chocolate, simple. I love this. People, Altair watching you. Everybody, ever you, all the things. Altair can watch him. Look your eyes, your paper eyes. He's so evil and so perfect. I love you, Altair, and you love me, no? Okay. You can fly. Oh, she can fly. Goodbye.